It is a stunning day in Sydney today. So come with me to explore Sydney from a bird's eye view. Let's go. And this is the fit, nice flowy pants and a tank. Let's go. But just don't say anything.
Okay, what are we doing today?
We are going on a helicopter.
Look, guys, see above there?
Yes.
That's what we're doing.
I'm super afraid of heights, by the way, so that, you know, if
But
you don't
we're
see...
just doing something different. We're going to see all of Sydney. We're going to see the harbour. We're going to see the Opera House. We're going to see the
And
views.
God. At the end, we're going to meet God tonight.
It's 36 degrees today, so we might end up like barbecue up there. We don't know. But
Yeah, we're going to take you along this experience.
Yeah.
We've got our pilot, Jamie, sitting here. We'll just introduce you to Jamie. Hi, Jamie.
Hey.
Jamie's got his work
cut out
cut out for him today. So come with us. And here are the sun planes through the window. Let's go. And this is her. This is her. Yeah, we're getting on that. I am literally shitting myself. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Guys, the pilot let me sit in his spot and has allowed me to actually drive because we've got helicopter pilot training there.